Unboxing new skincare from Benefit Cosmetics. Come along with me as I de-drag and use them all. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Lyle. I'm LA's premier live singing drag queen. First things first, I gotta get out of hair and costume so I can properly take this makeup off. Okay, first let's go in with the Get Unblocked Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. Now this stuff is incredible. It is so soft on the skin and it just melts away all of the makeup with one pass. I mean, it is eating through layers and layers of makeup, including glue. And once that's taken a majority of your makeup off, you're gonna move on over to the Good Cleanup Pure Purifying Foaming Cleanser. This stuff was really gentle on the skin and got the rest of the makeup off in no time. And us queens wear a lot of makeup. It's like putting on armor and going into battle. So this is a really great product to break it all down. Pat your face dry. You're gonna wanna use the Tight and Tone Toning Foam. This stuff was incredible. And then we're gonna end it with a nice moisturizer. You gotta bring moisture back to the face. This is the Smooth Sip Lightweight Smoothing Moisturizer, and it really kept me hydrated all night. I love these products. Go check them out. Bye.